Honorable my lecturer, my friend and everyone watching my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu. First of all, I'd like to thank the Almighty God. It is because of Him I can make this video. Good morning, my name is Ikadek Sigit Aryadi Rai and I'm a student from Class B, Stage 1 for Diploma STPN. Speaking here in front of you all to deliver my speech. I hope you all feeling as amazing as I am right now. To be honest, I'm a little nervous, but I'm here not to tell you about what I'm feeling. Instead, I will tell you about how I'm being a STPN student in this pandemic. Before I start, I'd like to ask you a question. Do you know how important mental health is an STPN student during this pandemic? Well, I will tell you something. Since the COVID-19 pandemic hit the world, including Indonesia, we may already be familiar with bad feelings and thoughts that come to mind. From worrying about health to loss of livelihood, it creates feelings of anxiety, fear, and stress in some people. There is nothing wrong with negative talk appearing during this pandemic. Everyone's reaction to big change is of course different. However, this feeling of anxiety and stress still need to be managed and handled so as not to cause more severe and ongoing problem. Mental health is more than the presence of absence of a mental illness. It is a crossroad between emotional, physiological, and physical well-being. Everyone, being an STPN student in the COVID-19 pandemic is a great opportunity as well as a challenging thing. This is because we will study and stay in one area for a long time. If we can't control our mind, then our mental health may be disturbed. According to the CDC, Center for Disease Control and Prevention, stress during a pandemic can cause self-disturbance, loss of appetite, difficulty concentrating, and even deteriorating health condition. From this fact, it is clear to maintaining mental health during a pandemic is important as maintaining physical health because these two aspects are very dependent on one another. If you are someone you know is experiencing expensive anxiety or stress at this time, there are some strategies that we can use, such as limiting the use of social media and news, busying yourself with various activities, staying social, and keeping your body healthy. The strategies to maintain our mental health have been implemented at STPN. As STPN students, we have been given various facilities to support our life. One of them is internet facilities, where we can easily access social media, the latest news, and can still communicate with family. This of course can affect our mental health. In this digital era, of course the internet can make our life easier. Limit the use of technology, remembering that sometimes we need to get out of cyberspace and look for another activities that make us feel happy and comfortable. According to the busying yourself with various activities point. Fortunately, at STPN we will live the days with various activities. In addition to formal learning in class, we will also take part in various activities, both academic and non-academic. Activities like this are usually effect in diverting our attention for negative thought that are popping up to something more positive. In some ways, the COVID-19 era seems like actually the right time to educate ourselves on how to manage the intense sadness, isolation, and anxiety we are feeling. At STPN, we can also stay social. We will meet and live with new friends. This is so helpful because being cooped up at dormitory without Living may be stressful for some. This loneliness has the potential to generate negative talk that we want to avoid. Think of this quarantine as an opportunity to strengthen the people who live with you. Talk to them, plan fun activities to do together. If you feel that you have expensive anxiety and cannot be dealt with alone, share your problem with someone you trust. They may have a solution you want or quite willing listen to you. After sharing your problem with others, you will often feel more relief. As explained above, physical health and mental health are closely related. If our mental health decreases, then our immune system will follow, and vice versa. As STPN student, we will also participate in activities that can support our physically health. One of them is morning exercise. Besides that, STPN also provides sport facilities such as futsal court, basketball court, and others. We can use this facility to maintain our physical health during this pandemic. Exercising regularly can also be a positive distraction and help maintain your immune system. The pandemic should not be an obstacle. The pandemic must be a whip in order to become students who remain productive in their spare time despite all the challenges. In the end, filling your free time with productivity will lead you to become a person who grows and develops in progress. As the world recovers, we need to continue to advocate for mental health and well-being. Insecure in this include in universal health coverage. Okay, that's all my aspect. Thank you for watching this video.